Our 10th of the month today is going to be around permissions, specifically the ability to give users specific rights in screens versus global rights in all the screens. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. We're going to go ahead and click on Other, and then go to Admin Utilities, User Permissions, User Permission Wizard. And within here, we'll go to the User Rights, and you can see we have things like the Admin Log Viewer and BI Preferences. But we're going to go down to the Global Grid Manager. Now we have users that are selected with rights, and typically this would apply across all screens, whether it's in the accounts, the tasks, appointments, any of those. And this user has rights to change those grids. But let's say we don't want to give those users access across the board, and they should only have, let's say, access rights in the accounts and tasks screen. We can use this per item rights, and by clicking that, we get a new menu system, and we can select account and task as our options. And then in here, we can go ahead and select which users are going to have these permissions. As you can see, I do have some already set up, but I'm going to go ahead and add Craig and Crystal to have this right, and click the Apply button. You now see that Crystal and Craig both have account and task access to the Global Grid Manager. Same goes that if I want to do it for multiple users at the same time, I can go ahead and select the ellipsis button on the user level and say Expense and Folder. Click off, click the Apply button, and you now see that Ed has, or Erlene has folder and expenses. I should have picked an easier one to name. Even though the selected button is not checked, these users have this permission because that selected button is based on who's going to have permissions when you select from the drop-down list at this level. So even though I have account and task, I can come back in here and I can select account and task and click apply, and then that person gets the permission level there. These permissions are not available in all screens, but some of them that they are available is the Global Grid Manager, the Screen Designer, the UDF Manager, the Bulk Create TDF items through Paste from Excel, Export Data, and Mass Update. Thank you.